Hello everyone, nothing new under the sun. I have a mouse unboxing for you.
As you can see over here in the older black model, the sides are this rubberized material, but here it's just plastic.
I have been using a mouse like this, the M330 by Logitech, for something like 5 years. All my video editing I have done on that.
And the branding is also different. Here it says Logitech and over here it only says Logi.
This is my second one, I think, or third one. And the click and the left click of this broke. It doesn't register every time.
Okay, now look at the sensor over here. It looks a little different than in the previous one. The receiver.
And yes, I have tried all the gaming mouse out there. I've tried them, but nowadays I'm a Linux user. I don't care about those games anymore.
And the Duracell battery.
It's a little different than the previous one.
I dig this mouse. I think it's very ergonomical, and for Linux users it's fully compatible, so you don't have to fuck around with all kinds of drivers like you would probably have to do with the MX Master.